Hello everyone. So today we will design the half adder on the digital training kit. Firstly, you can look all the connections that are already made. Now, here is the IC diagram of half adder. From the diagram, you can see that there are two ICs used, 7486 in 7408, and in 7486 you can clearly see there are 4 XOR gates which are 2 input, and in 7408 you can see the 4 AND gates and which are 2 input and 1 output gate. Now from the diagram, from the connections, you can easily compare that from IC